Okay, hello, good afternoon, good day. My name is Osigwe Uchechukwu David Caleb, and I'm a student of Brigham Young University, Idaho. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my school, yes, for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, the reason I did that is because because of the school and the studies and all that, I've been able to have an architecture on how I'm going to start developing my backend APIs from now hence. At least this is a very good backend APIs, controllers, database, docs for Swagger, UI, and middleware for authenticators, error handlers, async handlers, and validators, and model repositories, routes, services, tests to test run the applications locally, and the utilities, that's the response.js, and then the validators that will now comprise of every collections validators. Let's say response. Let's say, for instance, if the username is required and they don't impute the username, it will automatically pop up. These the validators. So now I wouldn't be jam packing all my files in one, so I cannot spread it. So I want to say a very big thank you for this course. I want to say a very big thank you to my school. I want to say a very big thank you to you all that has been following. All right, so today we created a CareConnect API. Yes, what this CareConnect API is designed to do is to help bridge the gap between patients and doctors, right? So appointments as well, and it is using a Google OAuth. Yeah, so this is the API on Swagger. This is live on render. So let me hard refresh it. So now for us to start, because there are certain API routes here, like the updating user and deleting a user. User is logged because automatically when the user is authenticated, automatically the patient becomes a user or a doctor. So the user and the updating a user and the deleting a user is actually authenticated. Okay, so let's actually start. Let's see if we can get all users here. Try it out, execute. Let's see. Okay, so we are able to get all users. Let's copy this and see if the authenticator works before we go ahead. So close and then get delete. Let's try it. No, let's try delete. Yeah, let's try delete. Yeah, try it out. And this, execute. False, authentication required, please log in first. So which means that we need to actually use this authentication. Visit API/auth/Google. Let's try API/auth/Google. Let's see if we will be authenticated. So let's see. And yes, we are authenticated. For us to be sure that we are authenticated, it says current user auth/me. So let's just do this API/me. Let's see. Yeah, Caleb Osigwe D081 from by email. Yeah, so that is me, right? So let's actually try deleting the user again, right? Let's try deleting the user again since I'm now authenticated. Let's try deleting the user again. Try it out. This execute. I'm sorry, you are deleted. True, user deleted successfully. Let's be sure. It may be that the user is not deleted. So it works for every route here. You see, the user has been deleted successfully. So you can also create a user, in as much as the Google OAuth has made it much more easier to create users without manually imputing the details, the information. But you can also manually create users. So let's try. So let's say David Caleb, and patient, Google ID none. Google ID none. So let's try and execute. And true, user created. So we've created a new user. Let's be sure that we did. And voila, yes we did. So that is it. And once more, I want to say a very big thank you to Brigham Young University, Idaho. And yes, you that is watching, if you're aspiring to be a web developer, a full stack web developer, I would encourage you to join my school. Yes, I'm not campaigning, they didn't pay me for nothing. I'm just telling you that, I mean, this has been massive for me. So I would like you to also have this experience. And thank you for joining the YouTube once more. And I love you. Thank you once more. Have a